Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a partial view file, name it with a leading underscore, and place it in views /shared or the controller folder. Once done, declare it model at the top to enforce a specific model type, because strong typing prevents runtime errors. Make sure the partial contains only the fragment markup, avoid layout directives and redundant scripts, so the partial renders cleanly into parent views. This first step sets the structure and keeps reuse predictable and safe. Next, you render the partial inside the parent view. Choose at HTML. Partial for immediate rendering or at await HTML. Partial async to avoid blocking, especially for heavier fragments. Pass a model instance or view data explicitly, because implicit model differences cause null references. Once you reference the partial, wrap it in a div or section and give it an ID or class so you can target it later with JavaScript or styling. These choices control performance and ensure the partial integrates smoothly with the parent. Finally, have the controller return partial view. Partial name model. When an AJAX request needs just the fragment, this keeps payloads small and improves responsiveness. Then, in client code, use fetch or AJAX to call that action and replace the container's inner HTML or use jQuery. Load for quick swaps. Make sure to handle null models and validation states on the server side because they cause broken fragments. If things go wrong, inspect the network HTML response for error wrappers. That single check often reveals the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.